This is math chapter number 14.1 exercise class 8th. Now we are starting with first part. First part is done for you. This is the first part. 12x and 36. We have to take common factor of these. So how we will take? First we will take the LCM of 12 and then we will take the LCM of 36 and then we will see what is the common factor in both of them and then we will write that and then the answer will be 12 answer. So now we are starting with question number second of first part. This is that 22 2y comma 22xy. So now how we will do these type of questions will come if 22xy. So what will be the LCM of this? 211 multiplied by x multiplied by y. So in that the common factor will be 2 and y. So 2y, what will be this will be the common factor of these. So we will write 2 multiplied by y is equal to 2y, and this is our answer of second part. Now third part says that 14pq and 28p square q square. So now we are starting with this question. The question is 14 p q and 28 p square q square. So now how we will do this question? First we will take the LCM of 14. So 14 will come in two tables. So 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14 multiplied by p multiplied by q. Now this is this 14's LCM. Now we will take 28 LCM. 2 1s are 2 and what will come in that? 2 4s are 8. 2 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. So this will be the LCM of 28. So now we will write that 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by p square multiplied by q square. So now this says that its common factor is 2 and 2, 7 and this 7, p and this p. Sorry. If there is square, what we will do? No, like this. Not we will not write like this. We will write like this: p multiply p, 2 times p and 2 times q. Okay. So the common factor that comes is pp and q. So now we will write 2 multiply 2. No. 7 multiplied by p multiplied by q. So now answer is 2 7s are 14, 14 p and q. This is the answer. Now coming to the fourth part says that 2x and 3x square and 4. Now there are three things that we have to take common factor. So these are 2x, 3x square plus 4. 2 multiplied by x. As I say you earlier that x and square will take you 2 times x. So we will write 3 x because 2 and 3 not comes in any table. 4 comes in 2's table. So we write 2 2s are 4. So now anything is not common because there is 3 behind and we can't do like this like we will take 2 common and this 2 common, but we have to take 3 also common. There are x in that, in this and that, but there is not x in this. So the answer of this question is 1. One answer, because there is no common. There is no common. You have to also write there is no common in 2x, 3x square and 4. So this will be your answer. Now coming to the fifth part. Fifth part says that 6abc, 2d4ab square, 12a square b square. So now we will write 6abc and 24ab square b square and 12a square b. Now we will write that 6 we will write 6 as 2 3s are 6 multiplied a multiply b multiply c. Okay, and in that we will write 24 2 multiply 2 multiply 24 2 2 6 are 12 2 3 are 6 3 1s are 3. So now we will write 2 2 2 and multiply 3 multiply a multiply b multiply b because 2 times 12. How we will write like 12? 2 6 are 12 6 2 3 are 3 1 are. Okay, we will write 2 multiply 3 multiply a square multiply b, sorry a square, done. A multiply b. Now we will take common factor of these 2 2 2 2 2 common, and here 3 3 3 3 3 common, and a common a common a common, b also common b also common, and b also common, not c, not these. Okay, so now we will write 2 multiply 3 multiply a multiply b, 2 3s are 6 a b answer. This is our answer of fifth part. Now coming to the sixth part. Sixth part says that 16x cube comma minus 4x square comma 32x. Now we will write here. The question is 16x cube comma minus 4x cube comma 32x. Now we will take the LCM of 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, now how many times come 2? 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 times 2, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x. Now we will write this is part of 16. We have to take bracket also. Okay, now part of minus 4x, we will take minus outside, and then we will write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x, bracket close, and then we will take 32x. Now how we will take 32x? 32 2 1s are 2, and first we will take its divide, 32 and 2 2 1s are 2 minus 1 2 2 6 are 12. Okay, so here comes 16 as the answer. So now we will take 16. See, here we will take 16. So now 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So how times 2 came? 1 2 3 4 5. Now 5 times 2 came. We will write in bracket 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now we will take common in these 2 2 2, one more time 2, one more time 2, one more time 2, but now not 2. Now there is x, x and x, only that much. So we will write 2 2 multiplied by x. So the answer will come 4x, not 4x, minus 4x is the answer. So now the seventh part says that let's see the seventh part. So the seventh part now says that 10 PQ and 20 QR and 30 RP. Okay, now we will write here 10 PQ and 20 QR and 30 RP. Now we will write this answer. Okay, so how we will do like this, we will take 2 multiply 5, 2 5s are 10, multiply P multiplied by Q. Okay, in a bracket, or you can not take bracket, 22 multiplied by 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 multiplied by 5. Okay, now we will take multiply Q multiply R. Now next is 30. Now we will take 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by R multiplied by P. Now how we will do this, we will take common 2 2 2, these are common, 5 5 and 5, these are common, nothing is common now. So we will write 2 multiplied by 5, 5 and 5 have to are 10, so the 10 is the answer of 7th part. Now coming to the 8th part. Now we will see 8th part. 3x square y cube comma 10x cube y square comma 6x square y square z. So now we will write here 3x square y 3 comma 10x 3 y square 6x square y square z. Now how we will do this question? Now we will take 3 multiply x multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y and multiplied by y, 3 times y. Okay, now we will take 10 10 at the upside, we have done 10, 2 5s are 10. Now we will write 2 5 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y. Okay, sorry, here is a comma in between. Now we will take 6 bracket also, 6 LCM. Now this will be 2 3s are 6 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y and multiplied by z. Now we will take common. There is no common in these sums. Now we will see variable. X is common, x is common, x is common. Oh sorry, not this x. X is common. Okay, one more time x is common in these, and then y is common, one more y is common, 2y and 2x. So we write x multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y. So how we will write these? We will write x square and y square. This will be the answer of 8th part. Thanks for watching this video.